Welcome to Easy English Discovery.
Headache. I have a headache after studying for hours. Stomachache. Eating too much candy gave me a stomachache. Toothache. I need to visit the dentist because of my toothache. Backache. Lifting heavy boxes caused a backache. Sore throat. Drinking cold water gave me a sore throat. Fever. She has a fever and needs to rest. Cough. The cold weather is making me cough. Cold. I caught a cold and now I'm sneezing. Flu. The flu is going around, and I feel very tired. Sunburn. I forgot sunscreen, and now I have a sunburn. Cut. I got a cut on my finger while cooking. Bruise. I fell down and got a bruise on my knee. Burn. Be careful with the hot pan, or you'll get a burn. Sprain. I sprained my ankle playing soccer. Strain. I strained my muscles during the workout. Allergy. Pollen gives me an allergy every spring. Asthma. Running too fast can trigger my asthma. Diarrhea. That food gave me diarrhea. Constipation. I have constipation from not eating enough fiber. Nausea. The boat ride made me feel nausea. Dizziness. Standing up too quickly causes dizziness. Fatigue. After the long trip, I'm experiencing fatigue. Insomnia. I drank coffee late and now I have insomnia. RAS. This new lotion gave me a rash on my arms. Hives. Eating strawberries can cause hives for some people. Blister. My new shoes gave me a blister. Cramp. I got a cramp in my leg during the night. Infection. A cut can become an infection if not cleaned properly. Swelling. My ankle has swelling from the insect bite. Chills. I have chills. I might be getting sick.